Hey guys, another awesome product. Now, this is something that I'm sure we can all say we've been a bit of a culprit of over the years, is not paying attention to our gauges on our dash. Oil pressure, temperature, and in a race car, sometimes you're too busy concentrating on the race and competitiveness going that you are oblivious to what's going on with your car. Over the years, and as I said, I'm even a culprit of it, I haven't watched my temperature gauge. By the time you see it, it's too late, and the chances of you damaging your engine are quite high. I sort of went looking and I thought, what can I put in my cars to give the added security, to protect our engines? So basically what they are, they're a little digital display. This particular one here does your oil pressure and your engine temperature. What it is, it's an alarm. Basically, it'll buzz and it'll go off if your oil pressure drops below a certain pressure, or if your temperature goes above a certain temperature. Okay, so what you see here at the moment is the engine's not running, and after a certain amount of time when you turn the ignition on, it will read that you've got no oil pressure. So as you can hear that alarm, it's quite loud, all right, and it's beeping. So it gives you an idea of how loud it can be. And the best part about these alarm sensors also is that the coolant is not read from the coolant temperature itself. It's actually read from the engine core temperature. All right, so if you burst a hose and lose all your coolant, this will still give you a reading and set the alarm off. Could save you a weekend's racing if you destroy an engine early in the weekend. So if you're interested in having a look at them, have a look. You can buy them direct through the website. If you've got any questions about how they work or wiring them up or anything like that, please don't hesitate. They do come with instructions. They are quite simple to install. Yeah, just reach out and we'll be happy to help.